Students, let us see this question. This question is saying, in a cafe, delicious tropical drink is one half orange juice and one half strawberry juice. So we can summarize this. We have a cafe. In the cafe, we have a drink named as delicious. And simply writing in short form, delicious. I'm not writing the actual drink. So we have a delicious tropical drink, and which is made up of one half orange juice. So one half is the orange juice and one half strawberry juice. Vibrant sunset drink. So another type of drink is vibrant sunset drink is made up of two-third of orange juice. So we can write two-third of orange juice and one-third of apple juice. So one-third made up of apple juice. Now, Stacy makes a mixture called Tasty Delight, which is one quarter. So we have a mixture that is a Tasty Delight, and it is the mixture of two drinks. One of them is delicious tropical drink and vibrant sunset drink. And the proportion of these drinks are, see, this is one quarter, means 1/4, and the other is three quarters, that is the 3/4. So this is the story of this question. So the question is saying, what is the proportion of the orange juice in Tasty Delight? So we have to find what should be the proportion of the orange juice in this test result. See, this question we can solve in many ways, and I will discuss some of them to give you a proper idea how to handle these kind of questions. So let us see the first method, that is a simple ratio method we can assume. See, so we can assume the total volume of the test is like in this way so that we can have easy calculation. See, first of all, please see the ratio of the delicious drink and this vibrant drink in test delight. So what should be the ratio? So the ratio should be 1:3, right? So total volume, how we can assume our total volume? See, total, and you have to take the LCM of these denominator, this 2 and 3. What is the LCM of this 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 should be equals to 6. So you should multiply 6 in this ratio. So you will get 6 is to 18. So we can assume our total volume of this mixture as 6 plus 18, that is a 24 liters or unit. What is the benefit? Why? So see, first of all, 1:3 is the ratio, right? So we can assume it as 4. The total volume we should consider as 4. But when we divide it for delicious, delicious what? Delicious tropical drink and vibrant, so it will come into the fraction. Yep. So to avoid that fraction, I have again multiplied with the LCM of these denominators. These are all logical steps, right? So to avoid any fractional calculations, I have multiplied this ratio by 6, and I will get 6 is to 18. It means I should consider my total mixture as 24 liters. So if my total mixture, let me write mixture so that we will not get confused with the Tasty Delight and Delicious, something like. So the total mixture will be 24 liter. So in this 24-liter mixture, can we find how much it will have the delicious drink and how much it will have the vibrant drink? So obviously, we have 6 liters of this delicious and 18 liters as my vibrant drink because we have already considered as 6 plus 18, that becomes the 24. Now, can we find in this 6 liter of delicious drink, how much will be the orange? So see, the proportion of orange juice is 1/2 in delicious. So in 6 liter of delicious, tasty, whatever, what it is, delicious tropical drink, basically. So it should be 3 liter, orange juice. It should have 3 liter of orange juice, right? Similarly, in this vibrant drink, we know that it has two-third of orange juice. So we can find two-third of 18. So see, it means 12 liters. It will have 12 liter of orange juice in 18 liter of vibrant drink. So how much total orange juice? Total orange juice, it should be 3 plus 12, that is the 15 liters. And we have assumed total mixture as 24 liters. So what should be the ratio? What should be the proportion of this orange juice in this mixture? So the orange proportion in this mixture will be equals to, see, this is the orange juice total 15 liter out of total 24 liter. This liter and liter will cancel out. Now we can simplify. 3 fives are 3 eights are. So we are getting as 5 is to 8. Is there any option? Yes, we have this option 5 is to 8. See, this method is from very fundamental concept that how we analyze the situation, how we calculate the ratio so that we avoid the fractional value. Okay, you can see if you take any volume, right, of this mixture, you will get the same answer. It's not necessary that you have to take this 24 liter. We have considered this 24 liter only to avoid fractional calculation. If you take if 1 liter also of this mixture, you will get the same answer because the ratio and proportions are rate. It will not depend on the quantity. If you take 1 liter or 1000 liter, the ratio will be same. Okay, so now how we can summarize this? Wait. So I'm going to summarize this again. Now this time I will not go through this 24 liter. We can solve it directly now. We know that in the mixture, basically, it has 1 by 4 of delicious tropical drink, delicious tropical drink, and it has 3/4 of vibrant concentrate. And we know in this delicious tropical drink, we have 1/2 of orange juice and 1/2 was, I think, strawberry juice. Right. In this vibrant sunset drink, we know it has, right, 2/3 orange. It has 2/3 of orange juice and 1/3 is apple juice. So what is the shortcut here? 1/3 is apple juice. So we have to find the proportion of the orange juice in the mixture. So please see how we can find. Orange juice is here. Orange juice is here. So we can write it as, so just multiply this 1 by 4 with half proportionally. See how we can do this? See, if it has, see, if you consider as total mixture as 1 liter, right? Suppose if you consider total mixture as 1 liter, so obviously 1 by 4 liter should be the delicious tropical drink and 3 by 4 should be the vibrant sunset. In this 1 by 4, you will have half of orange juice, right? And in this 3 by 4 liter, you will have 2/3 of the orange juice. Proportionally, if you just multiply it, so you will get your answer 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, this plus this 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So please solve what is it is 1 over 8 plus, we can simplify this and 1 by 2. So if you solve this, if you simplify this, making it last fraction, so we will get 1 over 8 plus 4 over 8. So we are getting 5 over 8. This is the second method. Third method which we can apply here is the alligation method. We can solve it by alligation method also. Let me summarize. So see, we have two kind of drink which is getting mixed, right? So the one is the tropical drink, in the vibrant sunset drink. They are getting mixed, right? And in the and we have to find the orange proportion, the percentage of orange in the final mixture. So I will write the percentage of orange in tropical drink also and vibrant drink also. We can work on percentage basis also or in terms of ratio basis also. So right now we have given in terms of ratio, so we can work directly on the ratio. So what is the ratio of the orange in the tropical drink? It is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. And what is the proportion of orange juice in the vibrant drink? See, it has written in the vibrant drink has 2/3 of orange. So let me write here 2/3. So here I will have the mixture. This is the final mixture orange portion will come here. And here we will have the ratio of these two mixture, right? And it is given that in the mixture, they are mixed, see, tropical and vibrant drink, they have 1 by 4 is to 3 by 4. So obviously the ratio should be 1 is to 3. So let me write here, it is given as 1 is to 3. So we have to find the proportion of the orange juice in this final mixture with the help of alligation method. So how we can solve it? So see, first of all, why I'm avoiding the percentage method. See, in percentage method, this is the 50%, that's okay, fine. But this is not exactly a complete number. This you will get 66.67% approximately. I have approximated here, right? So that's why I'm avoiding this percentage way. I'm solving with the ratio method, and my options are also given in the ratio or fraction values. The second important point is, okay, we should know that here we have to divide the difference between these two ratio or percentage in this ratio. This is the allocation method. Okay, so first find the difference. What is the difference? On the difference, so difference is obviously this is the greater ratio, so I should write 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, make it like fraction into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So we are getting 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6. So we are getting 1 over 6. So the difference between these two ratio is 1 over 6. One more thing that you should know that, see, it has the 50% orange juice, it has the 66.67% orange juice. So the ratio, the mixture will have the orange percentage, which will be greater than 50 and less than 66.7, right? My percentage of orange juice in the mixture will be, see, but suppose this is the x, so I'm saying that my x should be greater than equals to 50 and less than equals to 66.67. Obviously, can we eliminate our option based on this knowledge only? So it means my answer should be between 50% to 66.67%. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. Obviously, this should not be my answer. 1 by 4 is 25%. Obviously, this should not be my answer. 3 by 8 is 36. See, how we can find this quickly? See, this is 3 into 1 by 8, which is 3 into 12.5%, which will be approximately 37%, which is also not possible. This will be your 50%. This may be answer, but this will not. See, this 50 should not be included. This 50 will be only possible if you have only the tropical drink, right? If you don't have any vibrant drink, then only it will be equals to the 50. But this will not be considered as a mixture question because you are not mixing anything. So this 50, this half is also not possible. So please see, you can find your answer directly even without calculating these values. So this 5 by 8 will how much percent? See, this is 5 into 1 by 8, which is 5 into 12.5%, which will be approximately 61 point something percent. You can multiply it directly. 62.5%. You can see that yes, this is lying between this one. So if you know all these from the basic, from the fundamental, all the concept, so it will give you advantage in your calculation and finding the answer. So what's the method is? So the method is, see, we have the difference of 1 by 6. Now I have to divide this difference in this ratio. And one more thing, how I can find my x? There are two ways. If we are finding our answer from this 1 by 2, right? In this, right? So see, one thing is clear that my final answer should be greater than 50, right? So I should write 1 by 2 plus there is something greater. How much I have to add? So I have to divide this ratio 1 by 6 in this ratio. And what is the proportion of this? We are getting 3. So you have to write this 3 over 4. I have to divide this difference 1 by 6 in the ratio of 1 is to 3 and proportion I have to take here 3. So we can simplify this. So we are getting 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8, which is equals to 5 by 8. We can find our x from other way also. See, this x is equals to, suppose we want to find from this 2 by 3, right, from this side. Okay, we can do this. So it should be 2 by 3 minus. There's going to be subtracted. There's something less. So 2 by 3 minus this difference, 1 by 6 has to be divided. And now this time proportion is 1. So it should be 1 over 4. So it should be 2 over 3 minus 1 over 24. Make it like fraction into 8 into 8. So we are getting 16 over 24 minus 1 over 24. So we are getting 15 over 24, which is equals to 3 5s are 3 8s are, which is equals to 5 over 8. So I hope you have understood all these methods These all are important for your understanding as well as for your examination point of view. So if you have understood this, if you have liked this discussion, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and share among your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.